Your body builds up insane pressure every time you sneeze, and it's meant to be released. But when you hold it in, by blocking your nose and mouth, that pressure has nowhere to go. So it turns inward. That force shoots back into your head, even reaching your ears, putting stress on your eardrum. It doesn't stop there. That same pressure spreads into your sinus cavities, areas that aren't built to handle that force. In rare cases, it can even push air into places it shouldn't be, causing conditions like subcutaneous emphysema. So instead of holding it in, let it out safely, because a sneeze isn't dangerous, but stopping it can be.